Hello everyone. Today I will show you some of the paid Udemy courses which are free, so you can enroll in it for free and earn a free certificate. Okay, so first is our content marketing strategy course. Here you will learn different content strategies, and also here you can gain advanced research skills that enables you to write any topic. Okay, next is a web scraping course. Here you will learn about Python, web scraping, data mining, web mining, and also much more. Okay, next is a productivity and time management course. Here you will learn simple yet powerful techniques to take your productivity to the next level. Also, you will learn powerful strategies to make the most of your time. Okay, next is a understanding HIPAA compliance. Here you will create or gain good understanding of the HIPAA concept of HIPAA. Also, you will learn how to enforce HIPAA and maintain compliance. Okay. Next is a stress management course. Here you will learn what are the causes of stress and their solution. Also, you will learn how to feel better, how to get a fantastic night sleep. Okay. Next, next is a sculpting characters course. Here you will learn character sculpting, ZBrush and Blender workflow essentials. Okay. Also, you will learn character anatomy, posing, and making appealing models. Okay. Next is a character concept art course. Here you will learn concept art, Photoshop, character design, character creature design. Okay. Next. Next is a concept art course. Here you will learn Photoshop, Pro Design, designing for animation. Also, you will learn how to design video games, etc. Okay, next is a sculpting props for 3D printing using ZBrush 2020 and Blender. Here also you will learn Blender modeling, designing for 3D printing, ZBrush sculpting, and much more. Okay, next is also a sculpting character course. Here also you will learn ZBrush, facial anatomy, and creation of animation. Okay, next is a creating a social media strategy course. Here you will learn how to create social media strategy. Okay, next is a Microsoft SQL Server course for beginners. Here you will learn about database management system, data relational database management system, okay, SQL, and much more. Okay, now next is a WooCommerce course. If you want to build e-commerce website, you can enroll in this course. Okay. Also, you will learn various terminologies here about WooCommerce website. Now next is a JavaScript course. Here you will learn Java. If you are a beginner in Java, you can enroll in this course. Okay. Now next is a Python 3 course. Here you will learn Python 3 programming, data types in Python, work with loops in Python, data structures in Python. Okay. Also, you will build a simple dictionary if you are enrolled in this course. Okay. Now next is Angular 10 course. Okay, in this course you will learn Angular framework from scratch, 9 plus projects, Angular projects. Okay. Also, you will learn how to create and manage custom component in Angular. Also, you will learn integrating Bootstrap. Okay. Now next is HTML5 and CSS3 course. Now if you want to build your website from scratch, this course is very helpful for you. After this course you can able to build beautiful websites. Okay. Now next is Adobe Photoshop course. Here you will learn how to create amazing graphics within depth with details. Okay. You will also learn how to fix images, photos, and color corrections. You will learn to restore images with image restoration techniques. Okay, next is a CodeIgniter course. Here you will learn complete CodeIgniter. Okay, also you will learn how to create a login and registration page in CodeIgniter. So that's all for today. Thank you. You will find all the links in the description. Thank you and have a nice day.